Hey guys, Chris here with protectingcoin.com, and I wanted to take a minute to do an unboxing and a quick demo of the cold storage coin. So this is a coin that comes in copper, silver, or gold, and those are 1 ounce. That is actual precious metal of copper, silver, and gold. And it also is embedded with a hardware wallet. So on this tamper-proof sticker, there is a public key that you could scan and send funds to. And then if you remove that, you'll get to a private key that's laser etched into the coin itself. So you have a double store of value with the cryptocurrency and also with the precious metal. So this one is for Bitcoin, and you can see fire and flood resistant, laser etched key code, tamper resistant 5-year guarantee. So this one is for BTC Bitcoin. Also have Bitcoin Cash, and all of these are in copper. Have Dash, Litecoin, and we'll also have Ethereum in, and then we'll be getting in some of the 1 ounce silver coins as well. Okay, so here you can get a closer look of the Litecoin, the Bitcoin, and the Bitcoin Cash coin. And I'll go ahead and flip it over. You can see there's the public key. There's a little information on the cold storage coin itself. And we'll go ahead and open this up. There's a little plastic pull. And this just peels apart. And there you go. Here we have the coin out. There's the back. Now you will notice on the graphic, it will actually show you BTC in the graphic there at the bottom. You can see on Litecoin, you have LTC, and we have BCH for Bitcoin Cash. So while we have this sealed, we're going to go ahead and load it with some cryptocurrency, load it with some Bitcoin. So you can use any app that can read a QR code. I'm going to just use Jax. See, I've got a few dollars in this wallet. So I'm just going to hit send and click the button for a QR code scan. Now it's ready to scan. And point it at the coin. Might have to move it around just a little bit to get the right angle, but it did go ahead and scan. Now you should be able to see if it'll pick it up. There is an address in there now. And then you can just enter an amount. Do 0.001. Going to do 0.0001. That is about 65 or 69 cents. Go ahead and hit send. It's asking me to confirm. Go ahead and confirm. Transaction sent. So now we've just sent, as you can see there, 0.0001 Bitcoin is now on this cold storage coin. Now we could keep loading onto this. We could load onto it, as many times as we wanted at any time. So you could, if you wanted to gift it to someone and then send cryptocurrency to it, once a year or whatever schedule, you could do that as long as you just save the address that you sent to. And so when we want to actually spend this, we would just sweep it into another wallet. And you can keep it as a cold storage coin as long as you like, but whenever you're ready to move the funds or sweep it, you'll have to peel off the tamper resistant sticker here, and then we'll be able to sweep it into any hot wallet that you normally use. So to get the sticker off, you just want to just peels on the edges. It's a little difficult to get off, which is what you want. You don't want it just coming off. So you definitely have to work at it to get it off. And then it is a tamper evident sticker, so it pretty much falls apart as you're pulling it off. A lot of the sticker is left behind. It's like a honeycomb is left behind from the sticker. So you can see what's left of the sticker. And you can still read the key there as well. If you hadn't saved it, you could still read that from the sticker. And then underneath is where you have the laser etched private key, and that's a QR. And then you'll notice on around the rim as well, it actually has it written out. Now, with all of the residue that's left over, this needs to be cleaned before you'll be able to get a good scan on it. So to clean it, you can just use just regular WD-40 would take care of it. If you had any kind of like a nail polish remover, that should take care of it. I'm just going to use WD-40 though, it does a pretty good job. So just spraying a small amount of that on a paper towel. And just going to work it over the coin. Clean it up so that we can get a scan on it. It does take some effort to clean it up, which is good. You want that sticker to, if it was to be pulled off, you'd want that to leave some residue, as all tamper evident stickers do. All right. So I haven't fully cleaned it up. There's still some on the edges, but I think that's cleaned up enough to where we can get a scan on the QR code for the private key. So I'm just going to go back to Jack's. And you can, like I said, you can really use any wallet. You're not limited to this wallet. There's several. And from tools, we're going to go to transfer paper wallet. And we're going to go transfer BTC paper wallet. You see you have multiple options. You can do Ether, Litecoin, BCH. And it's just giving you some information about transferring. I understand. And then it's giving me a box to enter the private key. I could either type that out if I wanted to spend the time to do that, or I can just scan the QR code. And I'm just going to move the coin around so I can get a good scan of it. There it goes. And now the key is there. Sorry, I hit the back key, and then you'll just hit next, sweeping, and now that is swept into my Jax wallet. When I hit transfer to Jax, it's telling me how much is on there and transaction sent. So now the wallet itself, I've swept it into my hot wallet, and now it's off of the cold storage coin, and I could spend this wherever I liked. And then I still have the coin itself. Now this is the 1 ounce copper, so I can still keep this. You just don't want to use it obviously as a cold storage wallet anymore now that we've exposed the private key. But I still can keep it as the 1 ounce copper, also available in 1 ounce silver and 1 ounce gold. And that's all there is to it. Very easy to use. Doesn't really require any technical ability. If you can take a picture, you could load this with cryptocurrency and you could sweep it. Again, we have it in Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, dash Litecoin, and we'll have Ethereum in soon, and we'll also have our silver coins in soon. You can find all of these at protectingcoin.com.